guys. In this video, I will let you know which oil is best. This is singular all-purpose oil. You can use it for sewing machines or door hinges or bicycles, motorcycles and appliances in general. But you have to be careful with your eyes. If you contact with your eyes, please immediately flush eye with plenty of water. In case of ingestion, seek medical attention immediately. And care for environment, do not reuse the empty packing. Follow local regulations for proper oil and packing disposal. Keep away from heat and other sources of ignition. And here down, you can see the level of the oil, which is high or low. I usually keep it in the middle. Let's begin. We'll put oil first at the bottom. You can see the line. I'll stop at the middle here. Enough over here. Now we'll move to the bobbin case. The bobbin case also needed. Why do we put it there? So that the machine doesn't make any strange noise.